In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money allows you to switch between light mode, dark mode, or system mode, so you can customize the interface based on your preference and reduce eye strain while managing your finances. To do this on desktop, log into the Monarch Money web app and click your profile icon in the bottom left corner. From there, go to Settings, then open the Display section. You will find an option called Visual Appearance. Click on it, and you will see three options: light, dark, and system. Light mode keeps the interface bright and traditional. Dark mode switches to a darker interface that is easier on the eyes, and system mode automatically matches your device's theme settings. Once you select your preferred option, the change applies instantly across the entire platform, including your dashboard, budget, reports, and charts. This setting is useful if you spend a lot of time reviewing transactions or managing budgets, especially during low light conditions, since dark mode can make the interface more comfortable to use. You can always switch back anytime if your preference changes. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.